Okay, guys. I think all students have joined Zoom. Wait, let me check on participant. Okay, all students I think have been joined the Zoom. Okay, let me start the class. Okay, good morning, everyone. I hope you're in good condition to attend this class, and don't be shy if your camera in Zoom or in your device is allowed to be or is not have problem, you can open your camera. Yeah. I'll waiting to 7. Okay, I think okay, all of you have opened your camera. Thank you. Okay, today we are going to learning something not a bit different from yesterday, but it will be fun. Trust me. Okay, we will be learning some science, but we combine with historical or with culture of Korean. Okay, before I start the class, I want you guys to present your attendance. You can scan the barcode. Oh, if your friend have feel sick or they cannot be attend the class, they can DM me or they can tell you. So I know. So I can know if they are cannot be join the class. Okay? Okay. I'll give you around 2 or 3 minutes for absent. For attendance. Sorry. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay. So guys, I want you to thinking. What kind of thinking I want to you do? Like I want you thinking about this one. This is some picture. I have two picture. On the left picture is Korean ship. It's called kubuksun or turtle ship in English. And the right one is the modern ship that we know. Okay, so the question is, what the difference between these two picture? If you, yeah, I want you to write down your answer in your notebook, or you can write down in your comment or in your chat, so I know what you're thinking, what you are thinking. Okay, okay, done. Okay. Oh, so many. Tell they have no different. What? Are you not focused? If you're not focused, you can drink some water. Okay. Oh, someone say they have different in structure. Okay, that's interesting. So guys, this is so guys in psychic. Oh no, I'm not into psychic yet, but they have a difference. They have a different material. They have different shape. Now, that's what gonna be learned today, and I will combine it with psychic. So, all right. Now let's do simple experiment today. Here are the material. Wait, let me. Oh no, this is letter, but this is. So this is material for the experiment. I want you to prepare. No, no. I think last week I tell you guys to prepare, so it will be need in this today. So the first thing that you need to prepare is the clay. You can use the clay or plasticine. The second is the pen. The third is paper. Four is the box. The criteria of the box is need to be clear so you can see in other side. And the last is a roller. Okay. So what kind of practice or what kind of experiment that we're gonna do? So the experiment that we're gonna do is simple, guys. So so you need to be fill the box with water or with full not full. I think half of box this one on this screen is enough. I need to fill the box with water. After that, I need to create a shape with plasticine, the shape like a sphere or ball. So it's full with clay or plasticine. Okay, done. Okay, and then you need to Uh, to put the plasticine in upper or in front, no, not front, in up on the box. So the clay in the box. Wait, let me demonstrate you. So, I will give you example with this box. So, imagine this is the clear box. So, I need to put the plasticine is on upper this one. So, plasticine, so the plasticine in this one, in this upper, and this is the box. Then I want you to, I want you to release the plasticine from your hand and see what happened to the plasticine. Okay, any question? Okay, and then I want you to give me some explanation or give me the answer. What happened to the plasticine? Okay, anyone? Anyone want? Okay, anyone want to give their finding, their find? Or anyone want to give their result? Okay, okay. Someone say the clay is sinking. Okay, the clay is sinking, or the plasticine is sinking. All right. Anyone say the clay is the clay floating? Okay, that's good. That's interesting. To we have two results here: the plasticine floating and the plasticine sinking. Okay, now let's try again, but in different shape. I want you to be creative, so you can make any shape, but I prefer you make shape like this one. So you make shape kind of like ball or spear or like ball, but the inside is nothing. Yeah, so it's a ball, but the inside is nothing like that. Okay, and see what happen. Someone say it's floating. Okay, someone say floating, floating. Okay. Okay, guys. So we have some data that the clay is floating and the clay is sinking. So what is this? Why the clay is sinking and floating? And then, and this we gonna find out in this class. So it will be learning some psychics today. Okay. Uh, before I continue, I need you write down the result in your paper. So it will be individual text, or individual data from each other. Okay. Eh, ah, and take some documentation. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. The next one is I'll divide you into a group. Each group will be get some worksheet. And your first task is, oh wait, let me share the worksheet in the in WhatsApp group. Wait. Okay. I have sent the worksheet. Okay. Okay, so it will be a group task or group discussion. Your first task is to identify the problem from the experiment. Why does the shape is matter much for floating? And what's the relationship between the shape and the pressure and water or buoyant force that we're gonna learning today? And also think, what's the challenge to engineer face in designing the shape? I want you to think and discussion. Yeah. So you feel oh no. So the result in discussion is you're gonna fill in your worksheet. Yeah, as group, not as individual. Okay, okay, okay. I'll give you around 10 minutes. I think it's okay. No, 5 minutes is okay. 5 to 7 minutes from 16. Okay, Okay. 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 Wait. Anyone asking to me what is number four from the worksheet? Oh, okay. So number four, wait, let me share the worksheet. Let me post the presentation. Okay, let me open my worksheet. Wait, where are my worksheet? Worksheet. Wait a minute. Oh, this one. Let me open. Okay, wait, wait, this is too small. Wait, let me decide. Okay. Okay, so anyone asking for number four? Number four. Okay. Okay. Number four is to be create. So after you fill the answer, number one, you have fill it. Number two, you answer it. Number three, and then you number four is you like you sketching. So wait, let me make it clear. So you pick a shape, any shape, yeah, that you want, and you draw it. You draw this shape, and the rule is you need to combine with the Gubuksen and modern shape. So you need to combine three things. The first is the Gubuksen, the second is modern shape, and the third is your idea or your creativity. And okay, someone asking me, well, this is group task, so okay. Okay, okay, this is the group task, but I need to know. Yeah, so you will be discussed. Okay, wait, let me make it clear. So, number four is you need to be a group. So the result is to sketch, and this is represent of your group. So it's not individual. Okay. Okay. Ah, okay. Oh yeah, guys, there's some revision about number four. You need minimum. The minimum you create the idea is two, not one. So the minimum is two, and the maximum is up to you. Okay. Anyone asking? Okay. Anyone asking more about the worksheet? Nothing. Okay. Okay. I'll give you around 10 minutes for discussion. For discussion with your group. I mean. Mhm. Oh, yeah. About number four again. I want you to think about the shape and the material what gonna need and the purpose. So your design is not just no, not you. So your design is have reason behind it. Okay. So it's not just your funny idea. No, no, no. And should be have the reason. Okay. Oh, uh, okay. For the editing information, you need to consider how the pressure, density, and the buoyant force affect in your design shape. Okay. So you need consider many things in your number four. In number four, so you need to be careful about your idea. Yeah, about your idea, your discussion. Okay. Okay, anyone have done their number four? Or anyone still number three or number one or number two? Okay. I think okay, all of you have done to number four. Okay. Okay, so the next is you need to choose your group-based design. So uh so um so back no. So you need to choose before that before that I tell you to make two make two two design minimum. Now now I want you to choose when the best design that you made. So you need to be discuss with your group again to be pick one of your best design shape and answer the question. Yeah, answer this question. Where your ship float and where the value of the buoyant force and the pressure, and how does your choice is material help, or how does your choice of material helping your design? Yeah. Okay. If you guys have done the worksheet, you can you can discuss it, or you can give us information about your team design or your group design. I want I don't want to be pick you, but if you want to, you can raise your hand and go on. Okay, someone has raised the hand. Okay, go on. Okay, there's interesting idea from the group four. Uh, need to be clear. Okay, now need to be clear that we learned today the object float is when the water is pushed up more than their weight. So that's the buoyancy mean. So buoyancy mean the object float when the water is pushed up more than their weight. So if the object have heavy mass, they will be sink. That's why I want you in earlier experiment make a ball shape. That's the reason. The second is the pressure is increased when mm, when the shape is go too deeper, or when deeper you go in a sea in water, the pressure is more and more. Because what? Because they have a gravity. So gravity will be affect the buoyancy. But but not not kind of gravity not kind, but not all gravity have to be affect the buoyancy. Mm. The shape also matter because oh yeah, the shape also matter because it affect how much water will be get pushed away. Now, today we will see how the psychic is keep shape from sinking. Mm. That's the conclusion. But I'll tell you about the material what we can learning today. The first is buoyancy is upward force that a fluid apply to an object that placed in. So the buoyancy is the upward force that a fluid apply to an object placed in. The more water the more water an object displaced, the create the buoyant force received. And the second is uh, and the second buoyancy buoyancy will be affected by the Archimedes law or an Archimedes principle, which is the say a buoyancy force is equal to weight of the fluid displaced. So it will be floating inside of the water. And hydrostatic pressure is the pressure from the fluid that's certain of the depth. The deeper you go, the higher the pressure. It calculated by the formula P equal to Pro multiplied by G and R gravity and multiplied by H, which is the Pro is the fluid density, G is gravity, and H is the depth. Lastly, the density is amount of the mass per volume that object have. So density is amount of mass per volume of the object. The formula is pro equal to m divided by volume. If an object has a lower density than water, it will be float. If it is higher, it will be sink. This these three concepts of buoyancy, which is buoyancy, and the second is hydrostatic, and the last is density, help explain why the shape or the traditional shape of Korean turtle shape or gebuksen in Korean will be have more effect or they can make in their era. This explain the technology have been updated from the traditional era. Yeah, they don't have much different from today or from modern. Hmm. And this concept of these three concept, it will help you to to make a ship float, stay stable, or even sink. Uh, yeah, lastly, in student worksheet or ELPD, I wrote a note about homework. So the homework, wait, let me share it. This is, wait, yeah, I wrote some note in last page. Yeah, this is the advanced task. So I need, so it will be individual. I'm so sorry, individual, not group. So the task is to present the group design shape to in video, and the video is minimum is 2 minutes and the maximum is 3 minutes. And I want to use a scientific language or scientific narrative, but not to be narrative, but I want to be creative, and you can use a visual. Yeah, you can use the experimental. So you can use an experiment for your design and use the communicative language. So it's not to be flat language, not like that. Okay. So that's for your homework today. It's not hard. So I will be say this, guys. Psychics is not hard. Yeah, it's not hard. For first learning, it will be hard, but if you keep learning, it will be not hard, okay? So don't be get stressed from science. Science is fun, okay? From the experiment, from the experiment you can tell yourself, as scientific is fun. Science is fun. Science is not horrible. Science is not stress. Science is not making me stress. Science killing me. No, 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 no. Science fun. Yeah. I think that's all that I can say today. Oh, fantastic work today, guys. For the homework, I just tell you, to be make me to, I will repeat the homework. So the homework is you need to be create your design shape. It's individual and create a video 2 minutes minimum and maximum is 3 minutes. Explain about the science concept behind the design of the shape and submit in the WhatsApp group. So you need to be upload on YouTube and give me link in WhatsApp group. So it will be a list. And last and for the due or for the deadline is next week. So the next week is the deadline. So don't be lazy to working the homework. So don't be lazy to working the homework. You need to be fast because I know you as student have many homework today. Okay. I will yeah. Lastly, I appreciate you guys for your attendance this time. I appreciate you have done the experiment, the amazing experiment you're analyzing and you're designing today. Your creativity, I appreciate that and well done. Well done, guys. I hope this today can be gives us some information, some some future some future creativity, some independence, and many more information that we get from the psychics, from the science and historical culture. So I hope I hope the learning is I hope the learning is fun and guys, lastly, I want you guys to be tell your friend that absent today, tell about the task and give your friend some information about what we learned today. Okay, because I don't want your friend I don't want your friend is not submitted their homework. Yeah, it will be hard to me to give your some some appreciation or some no no some uh, yeah it will be hard to give me you some score. Yeah, I forgot. Sorry, because it is 5 a.m. Yeah, it is 5 a.m. So it's two morning. Okay, thank you guys. See you next time. See you next week. Bye bye.